Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? I'm in the beater. I got on shorts, the flip-flops, bruh. It's too damn hot. So yeah, y'all gonna be seeing my rolls, my fat, all that today. Cause, man, if I get a six-pack, I wouldn't even have clothes on right now. You can see right here too, I'm burnt the fuck up. Look at that, boy. I look like a hot dog. But anywho, so yeah, man, what are we getting into today? What are we doing today, Granny? You just heard my whole conversation.
You going to Sacramento?
You going with me too?
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm not leaving you here by yourself. We gotta go.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. So yeah, we're gonna be heading to Sac. Me and Granny about to be going to Sac Speed Shop. It is looking like this C5 is supposed to fire up today. So today's going to be the first fire up of the new 402 stroker setup. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward to it. I want to see. It's been a minute since we've heard this car and all that. So I definitely want to see how the first startup goes, make sure everything goes smooth, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward to today. Today we should have some, a little bit of light and of happiness and joy.
Other than me in Sacramento.
Without further ado, man, we need to get ready, head out. We're gonna be taking the Versa because it has AC, and I want to drive the C6. So yeah, ready?
No.
I really hope Nita didn't run out all the gas on the Versa. Granny complaining because she's like, it's 90 degrees outside. It's actually not that bad. Y'all can see the trees blowing. So even though it's supposedly hot, it has a nice ass breeze out right now. All right, let's see if Nita drained all my gas out. Bruh. All right, so we got our full tank and now we off to Sac. All right, so we just exited, almost to Sac Speed Shop. So I told Granny we're about to do some donuts in this intersection right here.
No.
You ready?
No.
You ready?
No.
And the front wheel drive, you ready?
Right, fool.
Granny, this car won't even do donuts. Oh, she thought this was gonna swing some. Granny, this will not swing.
You might make it swing. Just the hell of it, just to wreck my nerves.
I mean, I can definitely get it to slide, but we wouldn't be able to get it to like swing consistently. You know, we can go in fast, pull the e-brake and get it to whip around, use the front wheels to pull it, then yank it again when we get some momentum.
No.
Let's try it.
No.
Hold on. Hold the steering wheel. I'm about to yank the e-brake. Ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
Hurry up. What's up, nigga? What you looking at like that, bruh?
Nigga, I'm looking at you in flip-flops. You got the Nissan? What was that, the Versa?
Yeah. Me and Granny.
Is that Granny? Why she look like my granny?
Nah, my granny look way better than your granny.
Tripping.
Nigga, your granny ain't trying to run no hands though.
Bro, my granny don't run hands. I got 3 grannies.
So,
what you wanna do?
Nigga, me and my granny will jump all your grannies now.
Yeah, I'll jump you in your granny.
So, you gonna jump in, but you gonna get beat up.
Oh, hell no.
Run it.
I don't need all the tattoos to get to
I'm gonna bring some.
Black folk do business together because this is where it comes to. My granny better than your granny. I don't give you like skin with dreads. It don't really count like that.
You caramel. But look at this tan, boy.
I know.
We like the same color.
No, but hold on. You was driving with your arm out, huh?
Nah, it's from that event.
Which
yeah, the Mustang event. Boy, I got.
It look like you got a fresh tattoo, like it's all healing.
We're the same color, for real, boy.
Well, my farmer's tan's horrible too, but
I'm gonna start telling everybody I'm caramel now. I'm no Mike, formerly considered light skin, is now caramel. Hot dog colored.
How you doing, Granny?
Don't talk to him, Granny. He just said him and his grannies was gonna jump me and you. Yeah, say you didn't say it. Go ahead and lie.
You want to talk like that in front of Granny? Okay. How's it go, Granny?
I got 3 of them. One's 68, the other's 72, And the third was 7D.
We'll get you a chair, lady. Alright. Lift your feet up. We're going over here to harass Ray. There you go. You good? Jesus. Bam. What's up, Blood?
No, you got some trash ass ones, so you owe James some money.
What's up, bruh?
Fuck. You owe James some bread.
Oh, James, nothing.
There you go.
James just said his granny was gonna jump my granny, so I'm about to get on him.
Get my band back.
You about to start it right now? You about to start it or what? Everything all along here. Got the oil cooler and everything now. This is actually fully functional. Y'all can see. So we got some airflow going through that thing. Alright, we got floor pressure. And it's alive. So y'all started already?
No.
This ain't the first startup. This ain't the first startup. Y'all probably started it before y'all started when I got here, or before I got here. So hella air coming out the blow off valve right here. Huh? Oh, it's a T-bar. Yeah, there's no trays or no trillions on here no more. Hey, it's running. Bro, I don't care what nobody say. NA cams sound way better than boost cams. That shit hella lean. You gave it some gas or no?
It's really the first startup.
Oh, this is the first startup? I was like, man, it started up hella smooth like you started already. Don't lie to Kick It, bro. This is the second startup. You can keep it 100 over here. You laughing. You started already. Y'all guilty, bro.
Nah, it was the second startup.
Second startup. I know it started up too buttery. It's like, nah, it's gotta be the second. Hey, AFR look good now.
You need more water in this shit or no? Where's it at? You got it?
Hey, it's running. Smooth and crispy. Huh? Oh, that's the old school. Here, let me get you out of here. Won't need you breathing in this exhaust fumes. Ugh. It's alive though. So this is the NA cam now instead of the boost cam. They're the sloppy stage 2 NA cam instead of doing the BTR stage 3 boost cam, because that's kind of what we had laying around. I didn't want to buy another cam, so we threw this in there. NA cam, boost cams, they all fucking work. Like whatever the motor does NA, it is gonna do boosted. Sometimes people say the overlap and all that stuff, but I've seen dyno videos where the NA cam actually outperformed boost cams. So I figured with the stage 2, I don't think it's gonna be a really big difference between the stage 2 NA cam and the stage 3 BTR boost cam. So we'll see what happens on the dyno, but as of right now, it is running. Man, what's this orange stuff you put in here? Good shit. It's Pedialyte, bruh. We use green coolant. Hell no. Green. Alright, man, there it is. Running. Everything sounds super crisp. See all the wiring. I still need to figure out how to get my my covers to work. As far as the coil covers, I'm probably do the LS3 ones, but I might upgrade these to LS3 coil packs and LS3 brackets to clean it up a bit more. We're still waiting on the catch can to get here. We're gonna be doing the Mighty Mouse catch can setup. But hey, as of right now, it's running and damn near ready to come back home. We just need to throw a good tune on there, and then I'll probably be taking her home sometime next week. It's crazy. This B&B exhaust is stupid quiet. Super quiet. Like AFR, everything looks good. Ooh, I can't wait to have my shit back. We also have a full tank of E in here. This E is pretty old. Runs smooth too. This E85 is hella old. Had a full tank when it blew up on my way here. No smoke, no hiccups, no leaks. That's because he filled the water up right there. That's the water that's dripping down. What's up? You happy to see the car running? I am happy. Now I can take you on the freeway and we can try to do 200 miles an hour. You don't want to do 200 with me? If we die together, Granny. To death do us part. We go together. You don't love me that much? Then we go 200. The dash say 200. I pay for the car and the whole dash, so we gotta do it. Man, finally, dude, finally. I'm just happy it sounds hella smooth.
Putting all the timing in it. All of it.
All of it.
Mm-hmm.
Send it. Melt this shit.
Now I'm just sending the logs to Jason, make sure everything is good. We got good oil pressure, temp's good, voltage is good.
How many volts are we at now?
It's at 13.5, 13.8.
Like your Mustang?
Huh?
Is it like your Mustang?
Yeah, that one's like my Mustang, but that one's like way slower. Nah, that one has a Corvette engine in it.
You still got the receipt for the battery, right?
But it should be on my name on my file.
You could probably go change it out. It's still current. It's 21. Let's get another one.
Man, this thing sounds so good. This would be like ideal dream notch for me right here. God. Flawless right here. All right, man, so y'all got to see that this thing is back up and running. Definitely did a lot of different changes. Opened all this up, you can see it's all cut out right here. So now we actually got airflow going to the intercooler from the front of this. Before, you could see it was all just blocked off, but now it's all cut out. And then oil cooler and everything on here. You see the lines. Currently waiting for an oil temp sensor. My tuner J is supposed to be coming down on Tuesday or so to do some street tuning on this thing, and then we good to go. The thing I am going to do while we got this thing up is tonight when I get home, I'm going to try to look for a different exhaust, because you can see right here, this is 3-inch, and then this just bottlenecks down to like a 2 1/4 or 2 1/2. And you guys remember how much of a difference it made with the 350Z with the bigger exhaust. So I feel like this is definitely a restriction point on this car. So this is going to be something I do want to address. So yeah, I feel like we're leaving a good amount of power on the table because of this. Plus, this is a bigger motor than the LS3, so realistically, it should have a bigger exhaust than the 350Z has on it. So we'll see what we can do, what we can come up with. It's just gonna be a little hard trying to find a full 3-inch exhaust for the C5. I think I looked before, and all I managed to find were like 2 1/2 or something. So we'll see. Man, sounds good. Dude, the thing sounds nasty.